around January and February for 5 or 6 weekends. We celebrating beautiful red anemones. People coming from all over Israel. Everyone can find his own thing.
Ramadan festival is a very special month here in Israel, in the Negев. Everything gets red color around from the red flowers.
We came here a few friends to see the Ramadan. We wanted to hear some good music, drink some beer. We ate some great vegetables. And we're here for the second week in the row.